Hey guys, Chad Jenkins with SeedSpark Collab. We're getting into the 4 types of collaboration, and we've come to the pinnacle, a growth collaboration. A growth collaboration is what I established when I looked at my history and I could see many examples of where I combined my products and services with someone else's products and services and created a new product or service. Target, and again, the hero target for reference is who do you want your business to be a hero to? But the only way that hero target could yield the outcome of what that new product and service would deliver is every time it was sold, I got to come along for the ride if someone else sold it. And of course, if I sold it, whoever my growth collaboration was established with got to come along for the ride as well. So in every instance, every time I took this as a strategy, I was able to grow. I was able to double my marketing dollars. I was able to double my sales team. Didn't cost me a penny. I simply approached the market from what I had to give. A lot of times at the SeedSpark Collab, we talk about everyone has collaboration currency. This is the additional vision, capability, and reach that you have that you're using to deliver your product or service today. Never remotely considered giving it to another business or another entrepreneur and combining it to create something new. A prereq, as we talked about in subsequent videos, and unpacking the 4 types of collaboration, any of your collaborations should always have hero target alignment. When I talk about hero target alignment, I mean exactly that. You want this new product or service to deliver additional value to the same hero target that your collaborating partner, who is also in conjunction with you to create this new product or service, wants to create value for. So hero target alignment is a prereq to all successful collaborations. And in a growth collaboration, it is as simple as combining. Only combine what you're passionate about, the thing that you do better than no one else that you know, including your competitors. Use that. How could I combine that with a product or service that my hero target always engages with? Whenever we deliver this product or service, they always go to the next business. We've tracked it. Or it could be that the people that you deliver your product and service to, they really have an awesome experience when they've engaged prior this other product or service or this other entrepreneur, a type of business. Those are really low-hanging fruit to combine your product or service with and create growth collaborations. So think about your client and they're walking down the street. They're stopping at your mailbox. Sometimes they come from this same mailbox before, another entrepreneur's business. And whenever you deliver your product and service, they always go to the next mailbox of a type of product and service or a type of entrepreneur. Again, those are really awesome to create your initial growth collaborations. And the good thing, sky's the limit. You can continue to create these over and over and over. I would strongly suggest whenever you create a growth collaboration, you absolutely name it specifically and intentionally. We have the Name the Baby tool available at seedspark.com/tools. And we also have a custom GPT that you can inquire by just submitting a contact us form. Well, I hope you've learned a lot about growth collaborations and you can now begin to see the power that you have at your fingertips this morning or this afternoon or tonight when you're watching this video. You don't need to go create a new product or service, hire someone new, sign another lease, or expand your manufacturing. You just got to approach it from what you have to give to create more value through combining your product or service with someone else's, all with hero target alignment. So thanks for watching these videos. I hope now you have a very fundamental, established foundation to grow upon, leveraging the true art of collaboration. If you'd like more information, you can find us at seedspark.com, or you can also check it out on LinkedIn. We tend to put a decent amount of content there around our methodologies and mindset shifts. Thanks for stopping by. Look forward to seeing you soon.